What I wish I knew as a new dog owner. Fixing aggression is easier than you think. No magic needed, just simple steps you can start today. First, stay calm. Never shout or punish. This just makes things worse. Instead, use a firm but friendly sit. When your dog listens, reward them with a treat. That way, they learn calm behavior gets good things. Spot the trigger. Maybe it's the doorbell or another dog. If you can, remove the trigger until your dog feels safe. Repeat these steps each time. Patience is key. Change doesn't happen overnight. Quick tip. Aggression often comes from fear. Build trust with your dog every day through play and gentle training. Follow for more dog training tips.